Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe I'm going to be sharing with you how to make my one pot Nigerian fried rice. So guys, if you're interested, stay tuned. Let's get started with this recipe. So to make our one pot fried rice, we need some spring onion, some carrots, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, some bell peppers, onion, thyme and curry powder, some green peas, shrimps which I already washed and cleaned, and I'm going to be using some liver, which is optional, but I love liver on my fried rice. And here I'm using turkey broth, so I have my turkey broth right here, and I have a recipe to show you how to make your turkey so you can get your turkey broth. And I'm going to be using basmati rice to make my fried rice, so you can use any rice of your choice. So to start, I will season my shrimp. I will add some all-purpose seasoning, some black peppers, and I'll just give this a nice stir and set it aside to be marinating. So right now I'll start prepping my veggies which I already washed. So I'll just go ahead and chop my bell peppers into a very tiny bits. So for my fried rice, I love my veggies to be very tiny. I don't like seeing large chunks of veggies, so I'll just chop them into tiny bits. You can chop them to any size that you like. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. My name is Lydia, and to my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys. I always see your love and support. Thank you for always coming back. So guys, if you find this recipe helpful at the end of the day, please don't forget to give this video a big like. Drop a comment on the comment section regarding any question you have. And if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you'll be notified anytime I upload any recipe. So guys, for the full list of ingredients used, I'm going to be putting them on the description box, and I'm also going to be putting the link to my pepper turkey recipe there so you can see how I marinate my turkey. So here are all my veggies prepped. I'll go ahead and add my green peas into my bell peppers, and I'll add in some all-purpose, some aromat, which is just like your chicken seasoned bouillon. So I'll just add some into them and just give it a nice stir and set this aside. And I'll do the same thing to the carrots. So at this point, all my veggies are ready for me to use. At this moment, I will just start to wash my rice with some hot running tap water. So I'll make sure I wash this rice thoroughly until all the starch comes off and the water from the rice is clean and clear. So guys, for basmati rice, it doesn't require a lot doing. So it comes with just little less starch and it's very easy to wash. So guys, this is how you want it to look like. So right now it's time for me to start making my fried rice. I'll start by putting a little bit of oil in my pot, and I'll preheat the oil and transfer in my onion. So I'll allow the onion to cook for just about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll add in my garlic. So I'll add in my carrot at this point because my carrot is a little bit harder than the other parts of the veggies I'm using. So I'll allow the carrot to cook for 1 minute. So right now I'll go ahead and transfer in my other veggies, and I will stir them together and allow this to cook for 2 minutes. So I'll go ahead and add in just a very little amount of salt. So as you guys can notice, I'm not adding lots of salt and seasoning cube into this because I already have all of them on my turkey broth. So I'll go ahead at this time and take off all the veggies from the pot. So now it's time for us to start making our rice. I'll add in some cooking oil into my pot, and I'll add in a teaspoon of dried thyme, a tablespoon of curry powder, and I'll just stir this up together and transfer in my already washed rice. So I'll go ahead and stir the rice with the curry and thyme. I'll just toss it for just about 1 minute to 2 minutes while my fire is on a low heat. So right now, I'll go ahead and add in my turkey broth, which you can also use chicken broth if you like. So I'll add in some water to cover up the rice, and I'll stir this up together. I will taste for seasoning to see if I need more salt and seasoning powder. So I went ahead and I added just a little bit of more salt to balance the taste. So I'll go ahead right now and stir this together, and I'll cover it and allow it to cook on a medium heat. So at this point my rice is ready. I'll go ahead to taste if it's well cooked or if I need to add in more water. So the rice is already well cooked. There's no need for me to add in more water. I'll just go ahead and add in my veggies to the rice, and also the shrimps, which I already seasoned. So guys, this is why you need to season your shrimps, because if you don't season it, it's going to feel very bland while eating it, and it's just going to be tasteless, and you're not going to enjoy the shrimp in the rice. So I went ahead also and add my already boiled and air fried liver. This is optional guys, but as I said earlier, I love liver on my fried rice. So I will stir this together, and my fire is still on a medium low heat. So after stirring together, I will cover this and allow it to cook for just about 5 minutes. So your shrimp does not need a lot of time to cook. I'll just cover it. 5 minutes later, my shrimp is more than ready and my rice is ready. So I'll stir this together, and voila, my one pot fried rice is ready. Easy peasy. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and just garnish it with some spring onion for flavor, aroma, anything you want to call it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Guys, I tell you, you need to try this recipe. You're going to love the moisture, the texture, like the feeling, the flavor from this rice was something else guys. I tell you, this is different from your regular fried rice. The taste that comes with your one pot fried rice is totally different from the fried rice that you cook on a daily basis. So guys, Give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section how it came out. I bet you I know it's going to come out delicious. Till I see you guys on my next recipe, don't forget to click on that like button to help this video. Drop your comment, subscribe if you've not done so, follow my Facebook page at Lydia Isaac Recipes, where I also post more recipes for you guys. Till I see you on my next video, to have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.